Welcome to the digital era, where information is at our fingertips. But have you ever stopped to think about the power of the content and information on a website? In today's fast-paced world, consumers crave information. Whether they're looking for answers, researching products, or seeking entertainment, the content on your website plays a crucial role in capturing their attention and keeping them engaged. For businesses, the content on your website is your digital storefront. It's often the first impression you make on potential customers. Having high-quality, relevant content not only helps attract visitors to your site, but also establishes your credibility and expertise in your industry. Blogs, articles, and other informative content not only educate your audience, but also position your brand as a thought leader in your field. Compelling content is also highly shareable. When people find value in what you have to say, they're more likely to share it with their networks, expanding your reach and driving more traffic to your site. But it's not just about attracting visitors. The content on your website can also influence purchasing decisions. Detailed product descriptions, customer reviews, and informative guides help consumers make informed choices, leading to higher conversion rates. And let's not forget about the power of education. Websites that provide valuable resources and information help empower individuals to learn and grow, whether it's through online courses, tutorials, or how-to guides. Now imagine having all this valuable content but not being easily found online. That's where websiteranking.ai comes in. Websiteranking.ai is a powerful tool that helps optimize your website's content for search engines. It provides valuable insights and recommendations to improve your website's ranking in search results. By leveraging websiteranking.ai, you can identify keywords, optimize meta tags, and fine-tune your content to meet the latest SEO standards, ultimately boosting your website's visibility and driving more organic traffic. In today's digital landscape, content is king, and websiteranking.ai is your trusted ally in optimizing your content for success. Whether you're a business owner, a content creator, or a digital marketer, websiteranking.ai helps you stay ahead of the competition and achieve your online goals.